तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे मार्च सेकंड वीक के फुल करंट अफेयर। नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डे कब मनाया जाता है? 4 मार्च को। द ब्लू फ्लैग स्टेटस ऑफ ऋषिकोंडा बीच इन विच सिटी वॉज टेम्पररली रिवोक्ड? द आंसर इज विशाखापट्टनम। हु वॉज इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द 7th term? द आंसर इज मानन कुमार मिश्रा। यामांडू ओरुसी recently become the president of which country? The answer is Uruguay. Which state's chief minister launched the single women self-employment scheme? The answer is Uttarakhand. Christian Stalker become the chancellor of which country through a new alliance? The answer is Austria. Where was the 42nd national rowing championship recently held? The answer is Bhopal. Who became the first Indian women to cross 16 meter in indoor shot put? The answer is Krishna Jayashankar. Who is received the Lifetime Achievement Award from HBTU? The answer is Dr. Dinesh Sahara. Who inaugurated the Vantara Animal Rescue Center? The answer is Narendra Modi. Which state was a workshop on cybercrime, forensic and law organized? The answer is Punjab. Where will the second phase of Khelo India Winter Games 2025 be held? The answer is Gulmarg. Padmakar Shivalkar, who recently passed away, was a cricketer. Which country will host the second Asian Yogasan Championship? The answer is India. Which company along with IRCTC received Navatna status? The answer is IRFC. Jan Aushadhi Divas recently celebrated on March 7th. Where was the 24th World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 concluded? The answer is New Delhi. Who was recently appointed as CMD of NMDC? The answer is Amitav Mukherjee. Fred Stoll, recently passed away, was a tennis player. Which state cabinet approved the implementation of the इंटीग्रेटेड पेंशन स्कीम? द आंसर इज उत्तराखंड। किस पेंशन स्कीम की बात हो रही है? वो हो रही है यूनिफाइड पेंशन स्कीम। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च द राइज ऐप फॉर इम्प्रूव्ड चाइल्ड वैक्सीनेशन? द आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। वेयर डिड द इंडियन नेवी पार्टिसिपेट इन एक्सरसाइज सी ड्रैगन 2025? द आंसर इज गुआम। विच यूनियन मिनिस्टर इंट्रोड्यूस द इंडिया AI कंप्यूटर पोर्टल? द आंसर इज अश्विनी वैष्णव। हु वॉज सिलेक्टेड एज EY एंटरप्रेन्योर ऑफ द ईयर 2024? The answer is Nitin Kamath. Where was the Australia India Sport Excellence Forum held? The answer is Gandhinagar. Which union territory signed an MOU with the Inland Waterway Authority of India for river cruise tourism? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Who won the Prague Master 2025 chess title? The answer is Arvind Chidambaram. Who launched Project Hifazat for women's safety? The answer is Punjab. Which bank appointed Vidya Balan as its brand ambassador? The answer is Federal Bank. When was International Women's Day recently observed? The answer is 8th March. Where was the All India Women Advocate Conference held? The answer is New Delhi. Which state government proposed a family-centric citizen database? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which state's electronic city was named after Ratan Tata? The answer is Assam. Which country topped the Global Terrorism Index 2025? The answer is Burkina Faso. India signed a deal with which country for T-72 tank engines? The answer is Russia. Bangalore City University will be renamed after whom? The answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which airline became the world's second fastest growing in seat capacity? The answer is Indigo. Which country's president signed an order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve? The answer is America, USA. Which bank launched Project Huck? The answer is HDFC Bank. India agreed to enhance relations with which country in trade, investment and technology? The answer is Ireland. Which country topped the Glass Ceiling Index 2025? The answer is France. Scientists from which country identify the oldest meteorite on Earth? The answer is Australia. Which state government will set up a media center to monitor news content? The answer is Maharashtra. When was the Central Industrial Security Force Foundation Day observed? The answer is 10th of March. Where did the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025 starts? The answer is New Delhi. Mark Carney recently became the new Prime Minister of which country? The answer is Canada. India's 58th Tiger Reserve was established in which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Who received the Ramsar Award for judicious use of wetlands? The answer is Jayashree Venkatesan. India is conducting exercise Khanjar 12 with which country? The answer is Kyrgyzstan. Which state cabinet approved a bill regulating coaching centers? The answer is Rajasthan. Who won the double title of the Rwanda Open tennis tournament? The answer is both of the above, Siddhant Bhatia and Alexander Donsky. The Astra Mk3 missile has been renamed as what? The answer is Gandhi. The answer is Gandhi. Who successfully tested the SE-2000 semi-cryogenic engine? The answer is ISRO. Which company became the third strongest insurance brand in the world? The answer is LIC. Who was appointed chairman and MD of HPCL? The answer is Vikas Kaushal. Where will the World Audiovisual Entertainment Summit be held? The answer is Mumbai. Prime Minister Modi will attend the National Day celebration of which country as chief guest? The answer is Mauritius. Who became the 2025 World Junior Chess Champion? The answer is Pranav Venkatesh. Which country will conduct military exercise near Chabhar with Russia and Iran? The answer is China. Coal India Limited signed an MOU with which IIT for a clean coal energy and mid zero center? The answer is IIT Hyderabad. Who won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Answer is India. Which state government approved the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana? The answer is Delhi. Who was awarded the Agya Smriti Samman 2025? The answer is Uday Prakash. Which country's architect Liu Jiakun will receive the 2025 Pritzker Architecture Prize? The answer is China. Where was the first Shaurya Vednam festival held? The answer is Bihar. In which northeast Indian state was the Chhapchar Kat festival celebrated? The answer is Mizoram. Where did the 2-day Study in India Expo start? The answer is Colombo. Where was the Fisheries Startup Conclave 2.0 organized? The answer is Hyderabad. Who was awarded the Honorary Order of Freedom Barbados? The answer is Narendra Modi. Where will Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath lay the foundation stone of the Microsoft campus? The answer is Noida. No Smoking Day observed on 12th of March. Where was Jadaya Swami Utsav celebrated? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Who launched SphereX to reveal the origin of the universe? The answer is NASA. Where did Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath inaugurated the first smart city hospital and pathology center? The answer is Jhansi. Who took charge as the Chief Executive Officer of Indian Bank Association? The answer is Atul Kumar Goyal. Which country ranked 5th in the 7th Annual World Air Quality Report 2024 by IQ Air? The answer is India. According to the SIPRI report, who became the world's largest arm importer? The answer is Ukraine. Who was selected as the ICC Player of the Month for February 2025? The answer is Shubman Gill and Alana King. Both of the above. Who launched a fully automated WhatsApp loan distribution service? The answer is Rupee 112. Who launched the She Tara campaign for women? The answer is Star Health. Corbat and Bongo Sagar were conducted between India and which of the country in the Bay of Bengal? The answer is Bangladesh. Who launched the AI-powered media company Prismix? The answer is Ajay Devgan. Who launched SBI Asmita, a digital SME loan for women entrepreneurs? The answer is SBI. Where was Atal Bihari Vajpayee Sansthan inaugurated? The answer is Mauritius. The Sajjangarh Sanctuary recently in the news is located in which state? The answer is Rajasthan. The Ministry of Defence signed an agreement with whom for low-level transportable radar? The answer is BEL. Which state government include the Tamil symbol in place of rupee in its budget logo? The answer is Tamil Nadu. India's forest area has increased to what percent? The answer is 25.17%. Where will the country's first permanent art village be built? The answer is Prayagraj. Which state government decided to allocate 3 crore annually to each MLA under Constituency Development Fund scheme? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where was the Water Sustainability Summit 2025 inaugurated? The answer is New Delhi. Where did the annual monastic festival Matho Nagarang start? The answer is Ladakh. Which state is at the top in setting up PM Surya Ghar Yojana? पीएम सूर्य घर योजना में टॉप किया है गुजरात ने. वेयर इज द वर्ल्ड पैरा एथलेटिक्स ग्रैंड प्रिक्स 2025 बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? द आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली. सैयद अबीद अली रिसेंटली पास्ड अवे वाज क्रिकेटर. वेयर वाज अद्दुकल पोंगला वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स largest women's gathering organized? The answer is Kerala. Who recently won the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Stability? The answer is Dalai Lama. Which country has become the world's second largest road network? The answer is India. The government banned Awami Auction Committee and Jammu Kashmir Ittihad al-Muslimin for how many years? The answer is 5. Which state assembly launched a search engine? The answer is Punjab. This is March 2nd week extra current affair for full coverage. First question: Karnataka is planning to rename which university in honor of Manmohan Singh? The answer is Bengaluru City University. Which entity partnered with DPIIT to enhance manufacturing, road safety and sustainability? The answer is Mercedes-Benz India. With which IIT did CIL collaborate for R&D in clean coal technology? The answer is IIT Hyderabad. What type of scheme did the government notify to assist cooperative sugar mills? The answer is loan eligibility scheme. Who is the founder of Prismix, an AI-driven media company? The answer is Ajay Devgan. Which company became the first 2W EV manufacturer to receive PLI incentives? The answer is Ola Electric. Who launched the Women Entrepreneurship Program called Swavlambini? The answer is Jayant Chaudhary. Which organization joined hand with an NGO to establish 10,000 biogas plants across 15 states? The answer is National Dairy Development Board. What is the amount of monthly cash approved by the Delhi cabinet for women? The answer is 2500. Which national park in Madhya Pradesh is now India's 58th Tiger Reserve? The answer is Madhav National Park. Which institution launched a patent filing support initiative to promote biomedical innovations? The answer is Indian Council of Medical Research. Who is said to lead India's delegation at the Commission on the Status of Women at the UN? The answer is Annapurna Devi. Which state is planning to launch its satellite project named AssamSat? The answer is Assam. What installation milestone has been achieved by PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? The answer is 10 lakh. Where did India sign an MOU for the development of a multimodal logistic park? The answer is Varanasi. Which university signed an MOU with the Central Council for Research in Homeopathy to advance homeopathy research? The answer is Adamas University. Under which scheme did the Odisha government disburse 5,000 crore? The answer is Subhadra Yojana. Under which scheme did Maharashtra disburse 17,000 crore to 2.38 crore women? The answer is Majhi Ladki Bahin Yojana. Which project was launched by the Punjab government to protect women? The answer is Project Hifazat. Which organizations were banned by the Center for 5 years? The answer is Awami Action Committee, J&K, Ittihadul Muslimin. Which department and state government signed an MOU for Center-State Partnership? The answer is Department of Biotechnology and Assam Government. Where did India participate in the 69th session of UNCSW? The answer is New York. At which edition of Ahar did APEDA showcase India's agriculture and processed food excellence? The answer is 39th of Ahar edition 2025. Which department signed an MOU with FSID IISc for documentation of technology agriculture for digital address DPI? The answer is Department of Post. What is the name of the initiative aimed at expanding access to India's knowledge? The answer is Gyan Bharatam Mission. What is the name of the third edition introduced by the government for aspiring writers? The answer is PM Yuva. With which country did India sign an MOU for cooperation in the field of medical products regulation? The answer is Armenia. Which company partnered with SpaceX to bring Starlink internet to India? The answer is Reliance Jio and Airtel. Reliance Jio and Airtel. Bharti Airtel transferred 69.94% stake in India. Which entity to Airtel? The answer is Airtel Payment Bank. The Ayushman Bharat scheme has expanded to which city, providing millions with rupees 5 lakh cover? The answer is Delhi. Which insurance brand is ranked at the world third strongest? The answer is LIC. Which country's National Day celebration did INS Imphal participate in? The answer is Mauritius. The ICC took custody of which former Philippine president? The answer is Rodrigo Duterte. What initiative did the UN chief launch to improve efficiency? The answer is UN80 initiative. Which bank launched Project Huck to support IAF veterans? The answer is HDFC Bank. Which company launched the Ensuring Heroes campaign for International Women's Day? The answer is PhonePe. Which entities joined hands to boost MSME financing? The answer is SIDBI and Federal Bank. Which company took over Singapore fintech giant Slash's payment cost by 40%? The answer is Razorpay. What did the GST Council constitute to examine the levy of natural calamity seas? The answer is Group of Ministers. Which bank launched collateral-free digital SME loans for women entrepreneurs? The answer is State Bank of India. Which insurance company partnered with GIC Housing Finance for home loans security? The answer is Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Which bank launched the first saving account for women NRIs? The answer is Bank of Baroda. Which bank executed an aircraft financing deal from Gift City IFSC unit? The answer is Axis Bank. Which insurance company expanded its product line with 2 new child insurance plans? The answer is SBI Life Insurance. Which entity launched Design Shala to drive financial innovation through human-centered design? The answer is Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. Which financial institution unveiled Swalaksh, a special education loan for women? The answer is Avance Financial. What did RBI inaugurate to promote safe and inclusive digital transactions? The answer is Digital Payment Awareness Week 2025. Which entity notified the 10-year zero coupon bond? The answer is Power Finance Corporation. Finance Minister. What was the retail inflation rate at 7-month low? The answer is 3.6%. Which denomination of bank notes will the RBI issue with a new governor's signature? The answer is 100 and 200 notes. Who launched the PM Internship Scheme app? Answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Who was appointed as Secretary, Department of Legal Affairs? The answer is Dr. Anuj Rati Rana. Who was appointed to the Asian Cricket Council Board by BCCI? The answer is Rajiv Shukla and Ashish Shelkar. Who was appointed as a CMD of HPCL? The answer is Vikas Kaushal. For whom did RBI approve a 1-year extension as IndusInd Bank CEO? The answer is Sumant Kathpalia. Who did Federal Bank appoint as its brand ambassador? The answer is Vidya Balan. Who was appointed as SC judge said to become CGI in 2031? The answer is Justice Bagchi. Which small cap FMCG company did Salman Khan join as a brand ambassador? The answer is GRM Overseas. Who was named the new president and CEO of Honda Cars India? The answer is Takashi Nakajima. Who is said to become Canada's next prime minister? The answer is Mark Carney. Who assumed charge as chief executive of IBA? The answer is Atul Kumar Goyal. Who was elected as a new automotive tire manufacturers एसोसिएशन चेयरमैन? आत्मा का चेयरमैन कौन है? द आंसर इज अरुण मेमन. हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा कम्युनिकेशन बोर्ड? NG Subramaniam. Who won the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2024 award? The answer is Nitin Kamath. Where did PM Modi receive the highest civilian award? The answer is Mauritius. Where was the Silver Jubilee edition of the IFA award celebrated? The answer is Jaipur. What is the value of the deal signed by the Ministry of Defence for procurement of engine for T-72 tanks? The answer is $248 million. Which countries are said to hold joint naval exercise in the Indian Ocean? The answer is Russia, China, Iran. What is the name of the joint military exercise between India and Kyrgyzstan? The answer is Khanjar 12. What is the value of the radar contract signed by Ministry of Defence with BEL for the Indian Air Force? 2,906 crore. Which fighter jet successfully test fired air-to-air Astra missile? The answer is Tejas. Who returned to Indian team for FIFA window matches? The answer is Sunil Chhetri. Which player announced retirement from ODIs? The answer is Mushfiqur Rahim. Which title did Siddhant Bhantia and Alexander Donsky clinch? The answer is ATP Kigali Challenger. Who became the World Junior Chess Champion 2025? The answer is Pranav Venkatesh. Which title did Indian Grandmaster Chidambaram clinch? The answer is Parag Masters 2025 chess title. Which team did India triumph over to win the ICC Championship trophy? The answer is New Zealand. Who becomes second most successful Indian captain with 2 ICC titles? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Where did the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025 begin? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. What is the new name of the Commonwealth Game Federation? The answer is Commonwealth Sport. Who was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for February 2025? The answer is Shubman Gill. Which department released a book on women members of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Legislative Department. तो ये था complete part 2 of the second week of March 2025 current affairs.